When you die me, when you die yo, and never is so. When you die me, when you die me, when you die yo, and never damn no. You shall see a fever, or that shall see it is a war. And from on fire and tamo, near done no years from Gopa, and Mirimako, of it, dear Mirimagune. What I said, yeah, a Korea Jedian, you know. Mankind of the to Sukra, Sabre, Bob, than me, Bonono. Mikume, Homano. Me, met me, Bia. Metwana, this year's so, and I'm your dodging dear. I feel your titty me. I feel your habit. What's in the class in book? A woman in tear. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. You ain't come on me, Ramo. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. Hearty baby. When you die, me. When you die, me. When you die, yo. And anyone is so. When you die, me. When you die, me. When you die, yo. And me damn no. Umti. And me tavonya yo. Umti. And me buzian for me. You mean to me grand on me. You mean to me grand on me tongue. You mean to me grand on me so. And I want to me what I would have been watching me. Sana would have been there. It's on my and some quantire. Hey, woman, you put you. Now, my name is a church for the years from corner of the Bonnie Senio. Hold on, yes, ago. I want the answer. Oh, yeah. Enough, not any. Many ages ago, is a week. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. You ain't come on me, Ramo. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. Hearty baby. When you die, me. When you die, me. When you die.
Yes, madam. What were you doing?
Yes, I was relaxing.
Relaxing? Relaxing so early in the day?
Madam, I'm sick.
You're sick? Why didn't you come to work?
To ask a nation from you, madam.
Keep your explanation. Keep it to yourself. Get out. You're suspended for 2 weeks without pay. Get out before I dismiss you. Get out!
Please.
Get out! Get out! Out! Don't spoil my day for me.
Madam, you called me, please.
Yes. I don't seem to marry your company. No, what's happening?
Madam, I don't understand.
Mr. Timothy, that file is mine, the prices of the company. And this is your file with the prices that you claim you bought the goods. Your prices are $3,000 higher. Can you explain?
Yes, I can explain. Madam, somebody at the company wanted a percentage. That is why you see the difference, please.
As the MD, if something like that happens, I should know.
Yes, madam.
I have faxed a copy of your prices to the company and they've denied it.
Madam, I'm very sorry. It will never happen again. I'm sorry. Please.
Yes, I know. I know because you fired.
Oh! Madam, please. Please don't fire me. Please. Please, madam, don't fire me. Oh, madam, please. Madam, please. Don't fire me, please.
Get out of my office.
Please don't fire me, please.
It's for the sake of your wife and children. That's why I've not brought in the police.
Yes, madam. My wife is even pregnant. Please. You can at least deduct it from my salary. Please. Madam, please. Madam, please don't
Get
fire
out
me.
of my office.
Madam, please don't.
Get out!
Madam, please.
Get out!
Madam.
Don't let me change my mind on the police.
No, madam, please don't.
Get out!
Please don't fire me, okay? Please, for goodness sake, please.
Thief! This is what they've been doing all these years.
You look tired.
But you know I'm coming from work.
Yes. How was today?
Tedious as usual.
That's my girl.
Daddy, I suspended Mrs. Nano today and fired Mr. Tim, the purchasing manager.
What happened?
Dad, that purchasing manager is a thief. I caught him over invoicing. And Mrs. Nana was already dozing before 8 o'clock. She told me she was sick, but I don't believe her. That woman is late.
That's great. So
Do you really love me?
Of course I do. As I told you from the beginning, I don't like messing with pleasure.
Well, but you see, at least you can decide not to be too harsh on me. At the office, it can be very embarrassing.
Oh, baby. Sorry if I'm embarrassed. You know what? I said this for your own good.
For my own good? How?
So that you don't compromise and at the workplace. You see, think like this. Let's say I'm your wife and at the same time your boss at the office. And you think if I should treat you like husband and at the same time it's going to work out? No.
Well, I think you're right, you know. But now that there are no restrictions between us, please allow the handsome young man make sure that a young, beautiful, attractive, and succulent young lady take her adequate dose of love as prescribed by Dr. Wati.
Oh, come on. When did you become a doctor?
Man, that's nice. That's nice. You know, that the tender for the $80,000 contract in your office, I need to win it. But oh, that is no problem. I assured you your papers are specified, though, and I'm very sure it will pass. I just hope your papers are genuine and it can be verified. That's the issue, man. The small problem is that the collateral are submitted are fake. What? That is risky. You know, that girl is not stupid. I know, I'm aware, but I mean, she's your woman, and you know how to touch her in the right places. If it means giving her a massage or two, you know how to touch the right places. Get it approved. I need the money. I need it badly. You get the contract approved, and I'm prepared to make you an offer. 50-50. Man, that's my offer. 50-50. What do you think? Come on. I mean, don't make it sound like it's so difficult getting the girl to do this.
So what you're saying is, you share the money 50-50 when it is approved.
50 right in the middle. That's my offer.
Funny. Are you sure?
I'm telling you, you heard me right. Look, to make you believe me, when it's approved, just take 40 and give me 40 grand and I'll scrap. What's better than that? $40,000. Man, come on, this is it. There's no big deal. Can be done. Huh? $40,000. US American dollars. 50 T-shirt. Man, that shouldn't be difficult for you both. Alright.
You get yourself a deal.
Good. Man, that's good. That's why I trust you.
I can still handle that girl. She's just a little girl.
Even if she's a big girl, she's still a woman.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too, okay?
Whenever I'm by your side, I feel like never letting go. You're such a beautiful girl. So delicious.
Thank you. But don't let my head swell.
No, I mean it. I really mean it.
Somebody's got a right now. Think I'm gonna slow this party down. Let's see if we show. Come on in, gotta let you know that you can't. Don't stroke. Choke on me, I'll be stroking.
Yeah.
Has the chairman signed the Destiny company tender yet?
I told you this. I don't like mixing business with romance.
I think you're right.
Sorry. I'm so glad,
With 40 million, you can wipe me off.
Yes, and we can pop plenty of these. Man, it sure went like magic. I was really fast.
I told you I know the right buttons as far as my woman is concerned.
You surely do know the right friend. Wow, to us. This is good. You surely do, man. That was good.
$40,000.
It's yours. It's yours. All the deal is true.
But you know what? Since I cannot transfer the money from source without suspicion, here is my account number.
I see. That's good. Okay.
So you just transfer the money into it immediately you receive it.
Okay, no big deal. Consider it done. I'll promptly do it as soon as I get the money.
Oh man.
Wow, that was great.
What is this that I'm hearing? That you award contract to a different company? I can't believe this.
Yes, but after studying the documents presented by Destiny Company, I found out that the collector presented by them were fake.
But you told me you trusted my judgment. At least you could have consulted me before awarding the contract to a different company.
And when did that become the official proceeding? And come to think of it, you studied those documents and found nothing wrong with it?
Well, I did. But maybe the procedure wasn't... What?
Well, I found out that Destiny Companies belongs to one Tony Records. very disappointed. I'm disappointed in you.
What do you mean?
Mr. Accountant, you are fired.
What? What did you say?
You fired. Now get out of my office. Get out!
Listen to me. Who do you think you are?
And who do you think you are?
Queen of England? Let me tell you this. You are going to pay for this. You pay for this, you bitch.
You call me bitch. Get out, Mr. Pighead.
You spoiled brat.
Well,
You surely pay for this.
I give you 30 minutes to clear your desk. Out before I throw you out myself.
Surely pay for this. Mark it on the wall.
I'll mark it on your face, on your forehead. Get out! Of course he was. That's too bad of both. And the two of you were getting on over. Oh, I thought he was for real. See, I wasn't comfortable with the fact that he worked for us. Do you want me to arrange a meeting between both of you? I mean, to see if he can explain himself and apologize? Not me. Then you know. He called me a bitch.
He what?
Can you imagine? Jesus. If I should be doing anything like that, it would be inviting the police to pick him. Not to be taken to extreme. Not for me. At least not this time. Am I not beautiful?
Yes, you are, baby. You are beautiful.
I have a work to do. What is this? What is this? You look at it. You standing there looking at my face? Huh? What is this?
Madam, I think it happened after I washed the car.
Keep the explanation to yourself. How dare you? Do you know that you're slacking? You know that?
I'm sorry, madam.
Gee. Come on, clean it, clean it. And clean my hands first.
she doesn't treat her with respect.
True. Well, at least she brought me back from the suspension that she gave me. And I think she's just protecting what is hers.
Interesting. By sacking people anyhow? Huh?
You guys, I mean, don't we get our salaries on time nowadays?
Oh, for that one, I mean, she's trying. We do.
Good, she's trying. So you should also try and do your work well. That's all.
Look, Mike, you don't have to defend her. Don't defend her.
I am not defending her. All that I'm saying is that just do your work well. And that's oh, so.
Huh? What did you make so? Make so. Mama, what did you make? Oh, chicken. Walk us here. Walk us here.
Perform for yourself as a god.
Ubechika saadi ya ko wumu. Walk us here, pa. What did you walk at me?
Who na walk us here? Oh, walk us here. Oh, dear. Go and work.
Look, Mike, I hate what you are. I dislike what you are.
Hey, it's bedtime not over.
No, madam.
And what are you doing here? Huh? What are you doing here?
Ma,
Didn't I send you?
it's not ready, ma'am.
It's not ready. And for you to come to my office and tell me that you're standing here gossiping. Stupid boy.
Madam, the mailman brought this for you. Who is it from? No, ma. Put it down. Who is son? 020-817-5968. Hello. This is Joan Brown. Yeah, you just sent me a teddy bear and a card. But I don't know you. What? An old schoolmate. An old schoolmate. All right. Okay, I'll see you at lunchtime. All right. Bye.
seat. Have a seat.
Excuse me. Are you the one the general has sent me a teddy bear and a card?
You're right. Just have a seat. How are you doing?
Fine.
What should I offer you? She seems she still don't remember me or something. I'm Sam. Were you in the upper floor one?
Can you please go straight to your point?
Yeah, I still remember them girls. So Lisa, Tawana, and Liggy. The chops. Yeah. Do you remember Mr. Ken? The English tutor that shot my whip right here. Just I was the guy he gave about 24 lashes for joining the class. Just joining the class while he was teaching. Anytime I think about it, it makes me go, ooh. Okay.
Are you Sam?
You're right there, that's me.
So that's you?
Yeah, that's me, man. Thank God I'm now an engineer, working on my own. I'm also into importation of computer hardware and phone accessories. That's what I do for living.
Is that lucrative?
Very lucrative, very. But highly capitalized if you should think of the cost involved. Highly capitalized bank manager,
So how come you never contacted me?
No. So that I wasn't here, I was in abroad. I studied in Europe. I stayed there until just last year I came back to establish my own business. I'm going up, so I have to get something for myself, And since then I've been looking for you all over, girl.
Are you sure?
Yeah, if I'm not sure, how come I got your number?
Alright. Now that you found me, what can I do for you?
What you can do for me? Everything, my dear. Everything. Because I want it all. I know.
Okay, Sam. I gotta go.
Oh, come on. Is that now?
I'm always running for
So see you later.
Come on, hold
You're
on.
the fool, I'm a baby, and I'm a
The brown that I used to
go. You young guy, me miss you. You young guy, me translate me home. But since when you veteran was out, minimum never reveal it. I work out, everyone to. You will not cross out. I'm on quantum pound also. My brother,
The essence of this gathering is to tell you that you people are trying. But I want you to work harder. As the overhead cost is growing. Therefore, we want the productivity to grow too. If not, the company will be forced to lay off some workers. And who is that? Am I talking to dummies? Huh? It's funny. Nobody is ready to answer me, huh?
Why, it is me who talk.
And what were you talking about?
Nothing, man.
Where are you coming from?
I went to the other side, calling the rest. They are coming.
Have I asked you anything, Mr. Adams? Don't bring yourself. Now get out of my face. Get away. All right, you can go. You can go since you've talked. You can go. Get back. The management of this company has decided to add 20% bonus to everybody's salary. I want everybody to work very hard, to put in your best. Work very hard. I hope you heard me right.
Yes, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
You know what? Honestly, I like him. He is handsome, an attractive young man. But he's a little hazy at the moment. But the best sign is that we like him. You said like? But there's a thin line between love and like. And between love and hatred. You're right, girl. And for this guy, I think my face is suitable. Just watch him, but just be careful. Trust me, girl. Trust me. The guy is so handsome. Trust you, girl. Trust me. Come on. He's so cute. And he's got, his specs and really like him, yes. I'm sure I like you.
I'm Oh, me mano. Me any met me bia. Me twana this year so. And now we are dancing die. I feel your titi me. I feel your heart. What's in the class in book? When your brother, I don't know. When your brother, I don't know now. When your brother, I don't know. You young come on me rumbo. When your brother, I don't know. When your brother, I don't know now. When your brother, I don't know. Titi baby. When you die me. When you die me. When you die me. And everyone is so. When you die me, when you die me, when you die me, and never done no, Kunti, and never tell you, Kunti, and never was your boy. You mean to me, Granny, you mean to me, Granny, you mean to me, Granny, so, and I want to, me, what I would have watched me. Zana wode bidye Ezuma yeso kwantara we Ego wete putu Nani nimisa chweche foda ya Fonkona fede neba nizenyo Odo yezige Awodi ya yazo Ina feda denye Enye chizu ya domezewi Wene brana odono Wene brana odono Wene brana odono Come on, me rumbo. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know.
Good day, madam.
Good day.
I am Freddie Joseph. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, madam.
What can I do for you?
Well, my company and yours have been doing business for quite some time now. But I've never made it a point to visit my partners. I just decided to do it this once.
Which company is that?
Calvary Constructions Limited.
Oh, Calvary Constructions Limited. You're welcome.
Thank you. Actually, I'm the new managing director. I took over from my daddy who passed away last year.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
It's okay. It's okay. Can I call you Miss Brown?
With all pleasure.
Okay, Miss Brown, this is a little something as a token in appreciation for awarding us the last contract worth over $80,000. You know, it's gratifying to know that there are still companies who can award you such large contracts without even expecting you to grease their palms.
I'm sorry I can't take your gift.
Why? You didn't ask for it. Look, this is from my board of directors. If not for anything, for the fact that I'm the messenger sent to you by my board, please.
I can see you push very hard.
That's me.
Right. I'll take it.
Thank you. You don't know how glad I am. I should say thank you very much, and then God bless you.
God bless you too.
Well, I should be taking leave of you now.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And good day.
Have a good day too. Bye, Miss Brown.
Bye.
Joan, I don't feel comfortable discussing this with your father.
Why? Why?
Listen, don't you think your dad might take me to be a gold digger?
Sir, my father is not like that. He's a businessman. He will understand it.
Listen, I'm not comfortable with this idea. Do you get me? I'm not.
Hey, come on.
I'll talk to you about
Joan, what is the matter with your fiance?
Daddy has a problem. His goods has arrived at the port and we need some money to be included.
You saw the goods yourself?
No, Daddy, but the people in charge confirmed they've arrived. I saw the documents myself.
Like, how much does he need?
At about $50,000.
$50,000.
Yes.
Well, it's okay. I think that is not much. You only need to check the things yourself. That's all.
Does it mean you're going to give anything back?
Certainly. For your sake, I will. Yes.
You did?
No.
Daddy.
Hello, dear. You must be tired.
I am tired. How are you?
Fine.
I'm very tired.
Yeah. Anyway, did you check on the documents, Kat?
Yes, Daddy. I've gone to the harbor myself and once more, the documents were confirmed by the officials in charge. But I am not too sure if you would want to...
It's alright, baby. It's alright. You know, sometimes we have no option than to compromise on the positions. Let's give this young man benefit of doubt.
Are you sure that?
Sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You are my all in all.
I have to take a shower.
Okay.
I feel your titi me. I feel your heart. the class in book.
Give me a hug.
Your hand's always for you.
Open your eyes.
What is this? You know, things aren't going well for me since I came back. So I want you to get up.
$50,000. Take it and go and play with it. Don't let it enter the world. Yeah. It's not
Did you know what you just done?
Clean that thing you put together. You know, gentleman, huh? Dealing with dirty boy.
How did it go, darling? She gave you the money after spending the night?
Get some, baby, get some.
She gave you the money?
Wait. Just... Baby, what you want? Oh, my belly's sweating.
Oh no, look, wait, just hold it, wait. No, don't just what do you see over there? This is 50 grand, you know? That's it.
1,000 you.
Yeah, because I'm planning to do when I'm.
I thought you said she went to the port.
Went there, but don't you know dealing with a smart man?
Yeah, I know.
Don't you know dealing with a smart young man? Let me have my thing. Let me have my boy. Let me get my boy and take your help from me.
Oh God.
You know what? It's rushing day now. Packing your remaining things because we're leaving this country right tomorrow morning. You can meet her. Man, full of surprise. Just check it out, baby. I'm not looking. Just tell me what you see over there. Tell me, baby. Read it out to me. I can't see anything over there. Just tell me. What is it? Just read it out to me. Just read it out.
Why is Sam not picking my call? What is your name? Why is Sam not picking my call? Mike.
Yes, ma.
Turn around and take me to Sam's place immediately.
Okay, ma.
Hello, son. Son. Who are you?
I should be asking you that.
Where is son?
I'm his wife. Any problem?
Funny. What do you mean by your son's wife? That's impossible because I am engaged to son.
You engaged to him?
I said I'm his wife. Or you don't get it, huh? Husband is Natasha. Will you leave here before I tell you apart?
What's going on?
Oh, Sam. How are you? Can you imagine this riffraff calling this over me?
You came all the way from the house to my house to call my wife a riffraff. Huh? But then what are you doing in my house?
What is the meaning of this, sir? What is this?
Madam, what is the matter?
How dare you? Can't get out of here! Get out! You fool! So this is your game, huh?
Leave my house! Leave my house.
This is your game, sir. You're a fraudster.
Leave my house!
I'll come up to you.
Stay off.
Now get into the car and take me.
I'm counting up to 2. 1! 1! Fuck you, man! This is me, Foxy for you, man! 50 grand! $50 US! Damn, man! I did, Coco! Look at you, babe! Never sting up on one line, you hear me? When you're 9, you stop with me, no! Fool! Leave! Catch me in London! Let's go, baby!
Good day, sir.
Good day. Sit down. The commissioner says you are the investigating officer.
Yes, sir. I'm Superintendent Joe from the CID department.
Thank you. So how far?
Well...
Hello, Daddy.
Hello. This is my daughter Joan. Joan, that is the officer investigating the case.
Good day, madam.
Yeah. Have you caught that criminal?
In fact, that was what exactly I was about to tell you, that the guy has traveled to London, and it was arranged before the crime was committed.
Oh no!
Cool down.
No, Daddy, he can't get away with this, Daddy. He must be caught.
Officer, I want this case transferred to the Interpol as soon as possible.
Right.
The guy must be smoked out and punished immediately.
Alright, sir. We'll do our best.
Okay, do.
Calm down, madam. Calm down. Sir, I must be going.
Okay. My regards to the commissioner.
What is it? Nothing. You're crying. Okay. I don't know I'm crying. Mike, I've told you several times to stop thinking about this. Mike. Look, why are you refusing to listen to what I've been telling you? I'm not thinking about anybody. I said I know why I'm crying. I'm not thinking about anybody. I know the reason why you're crying. Mike, free your mind, okay? Madam, today you are looking so beautiful.
And when did you start this? Huh? When did you start all this? Tell me before I slap you. Stupid, useless driver. Now get away!
What's the problem? Oh, you can't do this to me. We're in a very good mood in the morning, but why this sudden change?
Joan.
Ben, what's going on?
I don't know. Joan. Come on, baby girl. What is it?
You know, she was in a very good mood in the morning, but I don't know why this sudden change.
Joan.
John, so we are the only people you can talk to. Please.
Joan. Come on, tell us something.
Joan.
Oh. Benny, I am not happy.
Why not happy? Why?
I'm not happy at all. Why are all these things happening to me? Look, that is rubbish. Look, the honest truth is that you've not met your man, period.
That's all.
Oh. Joan, when will that happen?
No, it's time, Joan, it's time. No, where are you rushing to? There are more men around. They'll come at their own time. You are not old.
I am rich.
Well educated. Fine. And what's the problem now?
So what are the good ones waiting for?
Oh, there are more men around. No, why are you rushing to?
Joan, calm down, eh? Forget the past and let's look into the future with hope, okay?
That's all.
Please. Let's enjoy it.
Please. There's always a last time now.
Come on, calm down. Let's play tennis. Stop!
I'll come back. Okay. Yes, when you finish everything and I send the container, I'll come.
Okay. Okay. Alaji, when are you going back to Paris?
King, I want to go to Paris today, tomorrow, every day I want to be in Paris. In fact, Paris is a beautiful place for me. Wallahi.
That is why you look so fresh. That is why they call it the city of fashions.
Yes, yeah. Anyway, how is your daughter, Joan?
She's pretty fine. She's looking good.
I learned that naughty boy Sam duped and ran away.
You heard right. And I have handed him over to the Interpol. They will smoke him out.
Kai!
He can run, but he can't hide.
How can someone treat that beautiful angel that way? Wallahi, that boy is crazy. Crazy.
And he will regret the day he was born.
No, that boy must suffer for this.
He will definitely suffer for it.
In fact, Ken, I have something to say.
What have you to say?
You see, you are my very good friend.
Sure.
We've known each other for so many years, over 20 years.
For precisely 21 years.
Very good. So give me your daughter Joan to marry. That's all. Simple.
Joan. But Alaji, you know, in these modern days, one does not marry for his daughter. You make the necessary approach. And when she agrees, I give my blessing.
Oh.
As far as you, Alaji, is concerned.
Thank you very much. You have spoken well, Wallahi.
You like that,
I like that. You have spoken very well.
Okay.
I will do that. When I come back, you see me.
Do your homework well.
Don't worry.
And you bring plenty of things.
Money with Alaji, no problem at all.
Yes. I trust you. Alaji.
You will see me.
Okay.
When I come back, you see me.
Okay.
Hey,
Alaji.
My greetings to Joan, eh?
Okay.
Good morning, ma. I'm told you want to see me.
Mr. Adams, I came to your desk this morning and you were not at post.
I'm sorry, ma. Something urgent took me out of the office.
This is the third time this week.
I'm sorry, ma. It was very urgent and I had to go.
Do you know, Mr. Adams, as a production manager, it is your duty to make sure that every product that comes out of the foundry is of standard?
Yes, ma. And I've been doing just that for the past 25 years.
Spare me the history. Did you tell anybody to deputize for you?
No, ma. No, ma.
Well, Mr. Adams, you were fired.
Oh, Miss Ma, you can't do that. Please don't do that to me. I beg you. Please.
I've already done that. You're fired. Now get out of my office. Get out! Out! And come next week for entitlements.
I could be mean, and I could be strict. Some people probably think
waiting. Yeah, Mr. Adams is quiet. Make sure he's out of the
I'll stay the same and will not even change.
My balance.
There's time for every single thing. Time to play and time to work. Do not change cause
I'm a baby.
Ken. Hey, how are you?
Fine.
What do you want?
Some Gary and sugar. Gary 2000 and sugar 200.
Hey. Ken.
I'm a baby.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Ken, I beg my money.
Oh. Okay. All right. Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay. Ken, excuse me. Where's your friend Mike?
He's at home. Why?
To be honest, I like him. You know what I mean. But anytime I smile to him, he doesn't respond.
Okay. Don't worry at all. There's no problem. I'll make a deal with you. I fix you, I buy things on credit. How about that?
No problem. You put me through. Okay.
A tin of milk on credit.
Ken. The extra one is for free.
Extra one is for free.
Yes.
Then keep the credit one. And let me keep the extra one.
Ken.
You see, he's my best friend, okay? I'll talk to him and he will listen to me. Don't worry. Make this cool.
I trust you.
I'm a baby.
Ken.
I'm a baby.
Alright, bye-bye. Hey!
So you sacked Mr. Adams?
He told you?
And what's wrong with that?
No, Daddy, I'm sorry.
You know, he called to tell me that his wife was at the maternity. She's just had a baby.
A baby? He didn't tell me that. I've warned him on several occasions not to abandon his post at the factory, Dad. It's important.
Yes, it's important to be strict. But you've got to be flexible with your workers. You know, Mr. Adams has worked at the factory for over 25 years. He's struggled to get to where he is now. He's a very good man, you know.
So what do you want me to do, Daddy?
Well, you are in charge. But all I'm saying is that you have to be strict as you are. But sometimes you've got to be a little bit flexible with your workers.
Heard you. Heard you, Daddy.
Are you out of your mind? Okay. You don't understand. I can't hide it. I must tell someone before I go crazy. I love Joan, and with all my heart. Okay? I know the problem this girl is going through. Ken, I feel I am the only man who can make her happy.
Mike, just look at you. Can you hear yourself? You are losing it, man. You are losing it. Huh? Look, don't say this in the open. If you want to lose your job.
Ken, you don't understand. I see her every day in my dreams.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
She is really tormenting me, Ken.
Mike, please stop living in a fool's paradise. Huh?
How about my dream? How about my feelings
Look,
for her?
she doesn't know your feelings. She doesn't. Look, do you know Amma?
Who is Amma?
Amma Bahima. The lady in that kiosk. See, she's very beautiful. She's falling for you. Okay? And you have to know that we'll be surely assured of provisions whenever we go in for credit. Okay?
Joan. I love you, Joan. I love you, Joan. I love it. Yes. I really love you.
Mike,
I tell you, I am the only one that can make her happy.
Just shut up. Look at yourself from head to toe. Do you think this woman will come for me? Look, just let's go.
This is for you, Joan. That's your car.
It's for me?
Yes. You like it, eh?
It's a nice car, Alaji.
Thank you. You like it?
But, Alaji, why are you giving this to me?
Joan, simple. You see, I have already discussed with your father. I want you to be my wife.
Your what?
Wife.
Your wife.
You see, Joan, I love you. I love you so much. Look, I will love you like my own daughter. You see, you won't lack anything at all in this world. There's plenty of money, nothing for you. Look, I want to make you somebody. You see?
Alaji, I'm sorry I can't accept it.
Huh?
Alaji, you already have 3 wives. And most of your children are older than me.
No. It doesn't matter in this matter. You see, man, it is a love. I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I love you. I will do everything. You don't like this one. You want another one. Or you want two. I will buy you. I want you to be my wife, Joan. That's all.
I'm sorry, I can't take it. Take your kiss.
Joan, you can't do that to me.
Take your kiss. Thank you, Mama. I can't take it.
No, Joan.
Thank you, Graham. I can't.
Joan, you can't do that. Joan, I love you.
Please
I beg
take
you.
it. I can't.
I want you to be my wife.
I'm sorry, sir. Good night.
Joan, wait. Joan, you see, you can't do that to me. Joan, I love you so much. Alright. This girl.
come to this? Oh my God, what is happening to me?
Come. Joan, what is the problem? Look, whatever the problem is, you just have to relax and be yourself. I mean, just relax. Be yourself. Joan, tell me. It's okay. Pull yourself together.
The old men are coming to ask my hand in marriage.
And who are those old men?
Not to be his first wife, but to be his fourth wife.
Joan, but Alhaji Dauda's case shouldn't be a generalization. You know, many young girls will jump at his offer because the man's the multi-billionaire.
Money is not everything, you know it.
Yes, I know money is not everything. But you know what? It is the grease that oil the cogs of our lives. So please, just relax, okay? Relax, find somewhere to sit.
I can't bear this. Minnie, this is too much for me to bear. Look at me. Just look at me. Am I not beautiful? Don't I have?
You have everything it takes. Just relax, calm down. I mean, sit or do anything. Relax. Joan, pull yourself together. What is your worry?
I can't bear this.
With love always. Seasons come and seasons go. The times keep changing. But nothing in the world can change the feelings I have for you. I don't know whether this is the right time to say this, but I've kept it inside me for far too long. It's wrong. I think I'm falling in love with you.
here for me. You mean to me, ground on me. You mean to me, ground on me, too. You mean to me, ground on me, so. And I order one tea. Me, what do you want to be watching me? Sana, order with you. It's no my son, can't tire of it. Here, woman, you put you.
I'm serious about this. Think about it. Bye.
I want you to say, oh yeah. You know, feel nothing yet. And yet you don't go easy. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know.
Thank you very much for reinstating me.
That's all right. You didn't tell me that your wife was at the maternity.
Ma, I'm sorry I didn't tell you.
And take good care of her and the newborn baby.
Oh, I will do that. Oh, I will take care of her.
You see, being firm, strict, they're not the same as being wicked.
Oh, yes.
So next time,
Thank you. Thank you.
Listen, the young man is pestering me. He's been calling me every single day on my phone. And you know what? I am consistently told him that I am not interested. What do you think?
Maybe you should give him a chance. And you never know.
Penny, baby girl, what are you saying? You know what I've been through. And listen, men are not to be trusted.
Yeah, I know. But look, because you've had some sad experiences doesn't mean there aren't some good men out there. Okay? You just look at Kelvin, my boyfriend. We've been going out now for almost 3 years without a problem. Even though he's not proposed.
Baby, you get me wrong. Listen, proposal is not easy. It's all about truthfulness. So, don't get me wrong.
Well, like I said, you never know. Just give him a chance.
I'm a sonny power, bravo. You're the fool, I'm a Debiana, my echo. You younger, me, Dimisuyo. You younger, me, translate, me. One thing so near better was a minimum level of any back. I work I know everyone to. I will not cross out. I'm on quantum pandas, my bravo. Major deal. Mitchell send me a. No, me catch no. Now, we never send baby bedroom and I have on it. Hey, boy, no nipano. Once on the power, Jawa Bravo. What is myself, no, my crown so. Now, no different from the sense of Fufu. Uncle is a one miss me to one, so I am from so. You will me younger. Me younger, I ever go. You will me younger. Me we anga de near drukra. And you will be a dream home.
Give me my husband. Would you make it in my bed to sleep? How dare you? How dare you?
I've had a great time with you.
Yeah. I'm praying this never ends.
It's one. Who told you going?
I know. Oh, Joan.
Yeah.
You know what? Seriously. There's no jokes. No jokes now.
Hey, you don't bring business, so please. I don't like my
I don't want to joke. Joan, I'm a little down on cash this weekend. I don't know if it's possible for you to give me a little loan, say,
Very disappointed. Disappointed in you. Why? Why?
Listen, don't you take your dad from my temple to be a gold digger? 50,000 US grand for me. You sure you give me this? Oh my God, do you know what you just done to me right now? You truly understand.
Freddie, you want me to give you $1,000?
Yeah, baby, it's not like...
Oh, no, wait. You want me to give you $1,000? You give it to me on Monday, right? Thank you. I don't have it.
No, Joan, I don't...
Hey, don't, please. Baby, what do you think? Huh? Giving me this little romance doesn't cost $1,000?
Listen, Joan...
Please! I don't have it. Leave my house, Freddie. Leave my house. No, don't let me get angry. Please. Hey! You just my boss. Leave my house. Leave. I knew it's Freddie. I knew you came purposely for my money. If you touch me, I will slap you. Priya, leave my house. Nonsense. What do you take me for, a fool, huh? Priya, leave my house. Stupid man. What Priya, nonsense. Mr. Bank, my home. Now, what got some Jimmy? No name you can't go at it. You did what? So that was uncalled for. What? I was just taking my time.
don't want what happened to me to happen again, Benny. Oh, please. But not on $1,000. The guy is much bigger than $1,000. Tell her that. For this. I'm sure he meant well. He would have paid you. Oh. Charlie, you've lost the guy. You've lost him. You've lost the guy. So, Benny. What do I do? I don't know. I don't know. Well, maybe you should give him a call or something. At least that is the best you can do. Oh boy.
Please, I'm so sorry for my rude behavior. Please forgive me. I was stupid. It's just that I've had some nasty experiences lately.
It's okay. It's okay, I understand. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. Apology accepted.
Baby!
Before that,
thank you so much.
Before that, I also have a little request to make of you. Just a little request.
What is it?
Joan, will you marry me? Come on.
Well, Freddie, I am happy you have decided to marry my daughter now. I knew your father. He was a perfect gentleman and very hardworking as well. So you have my blessing now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Daddy.
But you know one thing? Joan is my only child. And I love her dearly.
I know, sir.
You will become my son. And I hope you will also take me as your father.
I hope so, sir. In fact, I am very happy you've accepted me as your son-in-law. I promise never to let you down, sir.
Amen. Let us treat this union.
What is the problem? Freddie, for 4 days now you've been behaving like this. Freddie, if you truly love me, your problem should be mine. Freddie. Freddie, please talk to me, please.
Joan, it's not like that. You see, it's just that I'm overwhelmed by my problems. Look, I don't want to upset you.
Upset me? Freddie, look at what you are saying. Huh? We are getting married in less than a week. And you're here saying your problem will upset me. Freddie, talk to me.
Joan, we have to postpone this wedding.
What? Fred, do you understand what you're saying?
Joan, look, all my money is tied up in the business and I've tried everywhere. I've spoken to my friends. I've got to see. I don't know what else to do.
Oh my God. Your money is tied up in the business, huh?
You see. Look, I don't want it to look as if I'm trying to force money out of you or something. You'll say I'm taking advantage of you. Please, let's postpone this wedding and let's wait till I make my money back.
No. No. This wedding cannot be postponed. I have invited all my friends, amongst them ministers of state, members of parliament, diplomatic corps, and what have you. No, this wedding cannot be postponed. Young man, think again.
Sir, honestly, I don't know what to do. Look, I've tried my possible best to raise money from my friends, from my family, sir, but all to no avail.
You know what? Joan is my only child, and I love her dearly. Everything I have in my life belongs to her. So I must do everything in my power to prevent this wedding from being postponed. Young man, I want to make a deal with you. I want to give you a check of $100,000. You will use part to solve your problems and use the other part to see the wedding through. Is that okay?
Yes, I truly appreciate this, sir. And I'll never let you down.
Good. Cash it and use part to solve your problems and the other to see that the wedding goes through. This is not a bribe. You must know.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
It's all right.
I'll beg to leave then.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
It's okay. Good luck. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. I'd like to take leave of you, sir.
Okay.
Hello? Freddie, where are you? I'm so worried about you. You are in the US? And you don't intend coming back? Freddie, what do you mean? That you're not interested in me again? What? I should forget about the wedding just like that? Freddie! I should thank my father for you for the money. Freddie! Freddie! Fred! Oh my God! No! No! No!
Madam! 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 Atobro! Madam!
I will not lie to you. I'll give my life to you. Anything I will do. 'Cause I'm in love with you. Deep in my heart, I feel this pain inside.
the tears from your eyes. Oh love, yes it's love. Oh sweet love, my true love is that sound so sweet I hear ringing in my head, in my heart. I feel light, feel the lump in my chest. I'm convinced that I found my true love.
How is she?
Sir, she's been lying motionless since we came. But the doctor says she'll be alright.
Okay. My daughter has gone through hell. But I know God is in control. She will be okay.
It's unfortunate, sir.
Yes. Anyway, thank you very much for rushing her here promptly. Thank you. God bless you.
You're welcome, sir.
Whilst you sit here with her, I'll go downtown and get some of the items she may need. Huh? I'll be right back.
Okay, sir.
I will be with you in sickness and in health, for better and for worse. For without you, there's no me. I'll shed the tears with you. I'll laugh the laugh with you. I swear I'll die with you. I will not dare to hurt you. Oh love, yes it's love. Oh sweet love, my true love is that sound so sweet I hear ringing in my head, in my heart. I feel light, feel the lump in my chest. I'm convinced that I found my true love. Troubles may come my way, I see them fade away. Nothing can take away the love.
Mike, thank you.
I feel terrible when I see you like this.
Why?
Mother, I'm dying in silence.
What do you mean you're dying in silence?
Madam,
What do you mean?
I love you. Marry me and I'll make you happy.
What do you mean?
Why did you do it? Now look at you. No job and no money.
Look, Ken, for once, I told her I loved her.
And what has that done? What has that done? You were stupid. Very stupid, Mike.
I am not stupid, Ken. Now she knows I love her. Eh?
Look, will you stop daydreaming? Will you stop daydreaming? Huh? Now you don't have anything to eat. And now you are chasing waterfalls. You don't have the woman, you don't have job, you don't have money. You are stupid, idiot. Walk was here. Walk was here.
Thank you very much, Ken. But all that you are playing for is to please your selfish interest. What you are saying is monumental rubbish and excessive garbage.
You are talking Christmas, winter, summer, spring. You are a serpent, worse than a reptile. You are fighting a losing battle, man. You are fighting a losing battle. Kwasia, I draw a person of frost, no. I draw a person of kunyos, no. Kwasia, Jimmy Tabami say.
Mike.
Hey!
Mike, wait!
Mike, what are you doing with my picture?
Mike! What are you doing with my picture? Answer me.
Since it's impossible for me to have you, I feel your picture is a consolation.
What? My picture? What do you take me for? And what the hell do you think you're doing? Now get up and follow me. Get up! Get inside. Get into the car.
You love me.
Call me Joan. Do you think you know me, Mike?
If I look beyond the riches and the power at your disposal, everybody sees you as a lion, wicked, and strict. But I see a simple woman intelligent and a good heart. Wonderful woman. Yet to meet someone who sincerely loves her.
Are you not doing this for my money?
No. Money is not everything. What I feel inside is from the heart. Though the mind must rule the heart. What I feel is a true love. Though the mind must rule the heart, but what I feel is truly from the heart.
Like you've changed.
I know. I cried. I cried for her love. She opened her doors to my heart. I love you.
Oh no. You are too happy today. Have you found a treasure?
Maybe it's a treasure. I can feel it. What can you feel? It's Mike.
Which Mike?
Mike Benny, Mike, my driver.
Listen, he's the source of my happiness, okay? I'm so happy. How?
Oh my God.
How?
I think I'm falling for him.
out of your mind? How can you say such a thing? Benny, listen, I have fallen for him and that's it, okay? Leave me alone, I'm in love. Juan, you need to see a psychiatrist. In fact, you have to go and see Dr. Asari tomorrow. This is ridiculous. Oh, please. Listen, I don't need any Dr. Asari, okay? Let me be myself. For once, let me be in love. What's wrong with you? Oh, my, come and listen to this poor girl. If you don't know, now you know. I'm in love. I'm so much in love. It's John here, can't you see it? Have you heard the news? What news? No. Mike is dating Joan. Mike? Joan's driver? Yes, of course. Are you sure?
Wait. I mean, I can't believe this. I mean, how on earth can Mike date Joan? No, it's impossible.
Brother, believe it.
And yes, the whole kind of no credit. Ne map and quasia for I mean, so Joan was bragging for nothing? Oh, damn.
What are you people doing here? Nothing, madam. Don't you have what to do?
Come on. Get to work.
Look at them.
Hey!
Hey, damn! You've seen it for yourself. That shall never end.
She says, my mistake. No. I can't make quite. Precious, my yummy home. Come on. Damn. Now say, Juan what say? What say na Juan one can't tell me.
Good morning, Dad.
Hello, Benedicta. You don't look happy this morning.
Yes, I am not happy. Well, Dad, I just came to tell you that I am not happy with Joan.
Why?
I don't know if you are aware she's dating a driver.
What? Dating her driver? I'm not aware.
Against my advice, she fell for that gold digger who is only capitalizing on her vulnerability.
Oh no. She can't stoop so low. She must know that she is the daughter of King Brown.
I know you won't sanction this type of thing, but please talk to her since she has decided not to listen to me.
I will. I definitely will. Thank you very much, Benedicta.
dinner, Dad. I had dinner with Mike.
Which Mike? That your driver?
Daddy, I don't see him like that anymore.
How do you see him? Joan, you can't stoop so low.
Yeah. Mike is a nice guy. He's better than all the guys I've gone out with together, Dad.
Nice guy. Bullshit. How do you know?
Daddy, I just know.
Joan, you are disappointing me. How can you stoop so low?
Dad. How can you talk like that? Good morning, Dad.
Joan. You know, your happiness is paramount to me. And since you are bent on marrying the boy, I give you my blessing.
Dad. Oh, thank you very much.
No.
Thank you so much.
No, your happiness is my happiness.
I'm late. We shall meet in the evening.
Okay. Have a nice day.
You too, Daddy.
Let's wait for my call. I don't know. It just doesn't seem right. I mean, don't you think people will talk about you? It's their own business. I don't care. Juan, what has come over you? Nothing has come over me, Benny. Listen, you don't know Mike. You only see him as a driver. Do you know that boy holds GCE level? Juan. In fact, he surprised me. Hey, listen, Benny. If you're truly my friend, you'll understand. All right, please.
Hello, dear.
Hi, girl.
How are you, Benny?
I won't be long, honey. Only 3 months.
Oh. And how am I supposed to live here all alone?
Benny, Call will be home as soon as I get to the United States. Didn't he tell you when he called you?
No, but that would be great.
Please call the seamstress and find out if he's finished my clothes, okay?
Okay.
Be a good girl. Take care of yourself. Take care of the house, okay?
I will, Mom.
I love you, Benny.
Me too.
daughter's condition is very critical. Her vertebral column, in other words, her spinal cord, was severely affected by the accident. The X-ray examination suggests that her ability to walk could be affected. But I will do everything possible medically to bring your daughter back to normal life.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Mr. Brown, there was further complications which I cannot explain. It's too technical. The accident affected her spine, which has paralyzed her lower limbs.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm afraid she cannot walk again for the rest of her life.
Jesus. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I can't take it, Daddy.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Not the end of your life. No.
How could this happen to me, Dad?
Don't worry. Take it easy.
Crippled to be confined to the wheelchair, Daddy. I can't take it.
This is not the end of your world. Don't worry.
I can't take it. I can't take it.
While there is life, there is hope.
Don't worry. This is not the end of the world. Take heart.
Thank you, Doctor. Take it easy.
No, my whole world finally collapsed. No!
While there is life, there is hope.
Then I can move my neck. I can't feel it.
It's alright, it's alright. Feel it. Don't worry.
I'm sorry. It's really tragic. Joan of all people now a cripple and confined in a wheelchair. You see, it's all right. Don't cry. It is cool. We have to thank God you did not get married to her before this thing happened.
Okay.
We have to thank our God, you know?
We have to thank God.
And consider yourself lucky.
Thank God, okay? My wife she's involved in an accident and you tell me to thank God. Ken, what type of talk is this?
Easy. Your wife. You see, don't get me wrong. Don't you get me wrong. Don't. I was just saying that, you know, we're lucky we didn't get married to her officially.
Officially.
Happened.
That's not official. Crippled. Or not crippled. I love Joan. I will go ahead and marry Joan.
You will what?
I love her.
You said you were what? You married that look, Mike, it is a wrong decision. It is a wrong decision you're about
to try to sway me. Don't try to sway me. Joan!
It's alright, Mike, it's alright, just get up.
Joan! I love you, Joan! I love you, Joan! Oh God! God, why?
You are greatest savior.
Joan!
I'm sorry.
I love you, Joan.
You love Joan.
Joan?
You love her.
I love you, Joan.
Sorry.
I don't want you to marry me out of sympathy. What I want you to do for me now is to leave me alone. You're a handsome young man and can find a healthy young lady who can perfectly perform as a wife.
Joan, I loved you, and the accident hasn't changed anything. I do love you.
Open your eyes, Mike. Open your eyes. Look at me. I'm a miserable cripple. I may not be able to give you all that you would want in a woman. In a wife.
Joan.
If you're upset now, I will understand you.
Joan. My love is journey. Life doesn't count on any futures. I love you and will always do, Joan.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Of course, yes, I am, Joan. I am, Joan. Joan, I am.
Are you going to love me and always love?
Yes. It's alright. It's alright. I love you too. I love you too.
No, the baby have to be a boy.
Listen, my first baby is going to be a girl.
No, it should be a boy.
And by the way, who told you I am pregnant?
Oh, gee.
Look, wait. You people are boiling egg in a cold water. Why are you making life unbearable for me?
Oh, come on, Benny.
Why, are you jealous of us or what?
Oh! Look, I promise you guys, by next year, you're going to see me in a different mood. Come on, I promise you.
Let's clap for her. Baby,
Bravo.
come sit here.
Let me leave you love birds alone. In fact, I have a busy schedule tomorrow. Okay.
Oh, Benny, thanks for coming, okay?
You're always welcome.
We really appreciate your visit, Benny.
You're always welcome.
Thank you.
When are you people going over to your new house?
You know my father. He wants it to be perfect before you move in.
Oh, okay. Take care of her.
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, drive safely, eh?
Thank you. Yeah. Give it to us, baby. Mike. Yes, this is Benny. Mike, please, can you come to my house and collect something for Joan? Yes, my house. Okay. See you then.
Benny, where are the items?
Do you care for a drink?
No, I'm alright.
Oh, please.
I'm in a bit of hurry.
Joan is all alone at home. I have to go.
I'll be offended if you refuse to take my drink.
Okay. Anyway, thanks so much.
You're welcome. It's good to be in the water.
Sure.
You like my dress?
Sure, I do. It's nice. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, I'm not ready to swim. Don't wet me, eh? Oh please, I have to go. Where are the items?
Oh my, can you believe it? I called you before I realized I've left them in my office.
Oh. Well then in that case, I should be going. Come on, don't be naughty. Come on, get into the water and swim. I'll see you, Benny. Thanks for the drink.
Imagine him treating me like a piece of shit. I hope he can play this game. I just hope so. As if you knew I've missed it. I've been trying to call you, but you know the problem with our network. I have tried a couple of times too. So how are you? Very fine. And your husband? Hey. Mike has registered for a part-time at the university. He will soon take over. I see the company here. That's good. Oh, you sit down. Come, manage yourself here. See? You know what? Mike is a nice man, Benny. He's a wonderful man. I thank God for giving him to me. John, but he's still a man. You have to be careful. Benny, don't worry. I am totally convinced that Mike will not do anything to hurt me. You sound so confident. Well, I've been seeing him in some suspicious places. Places like hotels, bars, a lot. Are you sure, Benny? Of course I am. Why should I say such a thing if I'm not sure? I'm only telling you because you're my friend. Alright, let me get you some drinks. I'll reserve that for later. I have to be going back to the office. My MD is traveling this evening. Oh, so soon. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm alone here. I'll see you tomorrow. Mike,
I believe Benny or Mike? Please, God, not again. Not again. I have suffered enough, God. Mike. You scared me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Darling, how are you?
Fine. You're welcome.
Thank you. Let me put my file down. I'm so tired.
I can see that. Were you in school today?
Sure. It's just that the basic engineering is a bit tough.
Oh, come on.
But it shall be well.
Yeah. Did you go to any other place before coming here?
No. Why?
Oh, no. I'm just asking.
That means you missed me, huh?
Yeah. I missed you.
Darling, I am starving. Is there anything to eat?
Yeah. Let's get to the kitchen.
To meet me here.
That's so.
Sure.
Can I see you?
No. But I'm not seeing anyone here, man. I think I should be going now. I'll see you later.
Mike.
Yeah.
Mike, I made the call.
It was Emil's voice.
Yes. I asked the waiter to make a call for me.
Why?
Because I want to see you.
Benny, I don't understand.
Mike, stop pretending.
Ben, I must confess, I don't know why you are doing this.
Mike.
I am in love with Joan. Joan is my wife. Your friend is my wife.
Mike, forget her. Look, she's crippled. She can't give you much love than I can. Mike.
Benny, thank you so much, Benny. You called my wife a crippled. Anyway, I don't think I need any of your love. Have a good day.
Is that Joan? Joan! You won't believe this.
What's the matter with you? Joan? What's the matter? Joan?
Where? Tell me, where are you coming
From school.
From school? Mm-hmm. From school. Mike! Somebody saw you. And you're lying to me from school. I'm trying to find something to tell me, right? You lie. Lie.
No, Joan. Someone called me saying he was your business colleague and that I should meet him at one hotel. I got there and couldn't find anyone.
Okay.
So I left.
Somebody called you. Meet me and you went. That person couldn't call me. No boy. One friend. Fine. Mike. What is this in your shirt, Mike? A woman's lipstick in your shirt, Mike. Mike.
I swear, I don't know how it got there. To God, I'm going to teach you. I swear, Joan. I wasn't with any woman. Believe me, Joan. Like this to you, Joan. Believe me, Joan.
what you told me. Why do you want to ruin my life for me again? It has to say what? Why are you doing this to me?
Sorry, Joan.
Sorry. I can't do it. Please.
Hello, Mike. Yes, this is Benny. Look, Mike, I know about the lipstick. You have to come and let me tell you the latest. Oh, who told me? Your wife, of course. But that's not all. You need to know what she and her father are planning against you. You know I won't like to see you being pushed around. Yes. I'll be waiting. welcome. Sit.
Thank you.
Can I have a drink?
I'm okay. Benny, just tell me what you heard, and it better be good.
Every good information has a price.
Name your price.
Simple. Sleep with me.
Sleep with you?
Mike, I love you, Mike.
Please. Benny, a beautiful lady. I am ready to do it with you. But please, give me some time. Please.
Mike, time is what I don't have. Mike, why do you keep shunning me?
I agree. Okay. I will call you. Then we will prepare our minds towards it. As you can see, I am not ready. Please.
Mike, at least give me a hug or a peck, anything.
Please, Benny, please. Please.
If I knew you were as handsome as this, I wouldn't have let Joan have you in the first place. But Mike, I need you.
I agree. We will do it. But
I need you.
It's a secret. I'll see you later.
Hello?
Joan.
Yeah, Benny. How are you?
I don't know how to tell you this.
Why? Is there any problem?
I just saw your husband come out of a hotel room with another lady.
You just did, or you saw my husband?
But guess what? Because I know the lady, I asked her to plant a condom in his back pocket.
You don't mean it, Benny.
Just check it out and see what his excuses will be this time.
You saw Mike? The hotel?
Joan? Hello? Joan?
Mike, why? Why are you doing this to me, Mike? Why are you cheating me, Mike?
I don't understand.
You don't. Stop pretending to me. Like you're seeing another woman.
It's a lie.
That's a lie. It's a lie. This time I must set you. Come here. I must find what I'm looking for to be convinced.
Search me for what?
You know when I find what I'm looking for.
Dear, why are you doing this?
Don't dare me. This thing is in your pocket. You have condom in your pocket, Mike. Penny told me that she instructed a girl that you just left her to put one in your pocket for evidence.
Me? Slept with someone? Benny told you that?
Of course. Of course, as a good friend. She's been telling me all that you've been doing behind me. Like I told you. I told you that if you're not ready to love me the way I am, leave me alone. I told you. Why are you doing this to me?
Listen, Joan, I don't have anything to say. But you never found any condom.
You haven't changed anything, Mike, because you denied it.
I won't say anything. But you will soon find out whether I am a liar or not.
What is going on here?
Nothing, sir.
Jude. But you are crying. Eh? What's that?
Dad, no, I'm alright.
Are you sure? Okay. I'm going to see Alaji. I will be right back.
Remember, you will soon find out whether I am a liar or not.
Mike, wait. What are we doing in Benny's house? Benny is not at home, you know.
I know. Just do as I say, please.
Like, this is strange.
Come on. Now close the door for me.
Yeah.
Mike, I don't understand this.
You will understand, dear.
Oh.
It's not growing. Sorry. Hello, stuff is kind of big. Come on.
Would you explain to me what we are doing here?
Just keep quiet and do as I tell you. We're here for something very important. Shh. Now listen.
Yes, come in. Oh, finally come to your senses.
Yes.
Into the warm embrace of a young woman. Leave that old, wretched cripple alone. Can't wait to have you in my arms.
Benny, why did you tell Joan that I was following other women?
I did that to put you under pressure and to get you to where you are now.
So, are you happy that I'm here with you? You really want me to leave Joan so that we can get together?
Yes.
That's nice.
I miss you.
I miss you too. So, are you happy that I am with you? So you don't mind me leaving Joan for you? Okay.
Oh my God! Joan, what are you doing here?
This is what I wanted you to come and witness for yourself.
Benny, how could you do this to me? So it is true that human beings cannot be trusted. Benny, I thought you were my friend. I thought you were my sister. I thought you were my everything. Oh my God.
Yes, Joan. Joan, I'm sorry.
Don't you touch her. Don't touch her.
Please, Joan, forgive me. Please take me home. Please take me home. I want to leave it.
Sorry. Don't touch her.
You can't be my friend again, man. Please take me. Oh. Take me.
It's alright, yeah. Come on.